Hi, this video is going to show you how you're going to record your Shepherd TED Talks using Flipgrid. So before I show you the actual Flipgrid recording part, you're going to do one step before you're ready to record, and that is to have your presentation open and ready to go, just like this. So I have my presentation open and I'm going to put it in present mode by clicking present, but I don't want it to be full screen like this. You're going to want to click the icon next to the gear, next to exit, this little icon. And when you do that, it exits it out of full screen so you can see the tabs at the top, just like this. Once I do that, my presentation is ready to go. And now I'm going to go to my other tab for entering the Flipgrid. So get the link from your teacher, click Join with Google, and you're going to select your email address and it's going to log you in. And this is what your Flipgrid will look like. And what you're going to do is either click record a response, either by clicking the button on the top, or you can click this red circle. And either way is fine. So you're going to click that record button, and then your video is going to turn on just like this. So fix your camera. And then instead of clicking the red record button that's in the center right there, you're going to click this options button. Okay, and you're going to click record screen. When you do that, you're going to click this start screen recording. And before you go ahead and click share, you're going to want to do this. See, my little preview video is on the top. You're going to want to make sure that it's either at the top right. You could put it at the top left, but you're going to want to avoid having it on the bottom corner because sometimes there's some pop-ups from some other things that you want to avoid. So a good place is just to put it on the top right. So put your video where you want it, and then you're going to click this preview for entire screen sharing, and then click share. Once you do that, you'll get a countdown and you're going to go to your presentation. So as you can see now, I can see my presentation and I can see my little preview of myself on the top corner, and I should be presenting right now. So you'll talk through your presentation. You can use the buttons on your Chromebook, your cursors, or you can use the arrows to go to the next slide, or you could just click on it. You'll present just like this and talk through all your slides. And once you're done with your presentation, you're going to go back to Flipgrid and stop recording. And then you'll see this screen. So you can edit your video or trim it if you need to. Watch it and see, make sure it's okay. And then once it's done, you'll select next. And then before you submit your video, you're just going to make sure your display name is correct. So I would put my name and the initial of my last name. And then I would put the topic of my Shepherd TED Talk where the title says. And then that's it. Click submit. Let your video upload. And the longer the video, the longer this part's going to take. And you're ready to go. Click complete. And your video will be submitted to the Flipgrid. That's it.